Good morning, War Fam. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. It's early. Today we have a lot of stuff to do. Let me let Macho out. Can I get a good morning? What's up, man? What's up, man? What's up, big baby? Come on. I have total bedhead. So I need to go to the license bureau to get a new license because it expired. Not a new license, new sticker, because my birthday was yesterday. So I need to get a new sticker. We need to go to Lowe's because the basement is getting remodeled, which I'll show y'all a little bit further into this video, and a couple other things to do. But first, you already know, some coffee. You know what I'm saying? We need coffee. All right, let's see. Turn this bad boy on. This thing actually makes some really good freaking coffee. Turn it out to half. Let's go rich. Bam. Well, thank you, man. And for me. Give me that. Oh, yeah. Please explain to me what you're doing.
I'm picking off the dead dahlia.
Well, we have to go. What kind of creamer do you want?
Peppermint mocha.
Nice hair. Is my coffee up to your liking?
I didn't even sip it yet. Let's go.
This shit right here is fire. But I don't want none right now.
This what? This what?
You never heard a cuss word before?
I'm telling Talia.
You better not. I absolutely hate this damn place. I hate it.
Yeah, well, let's get out, because look how many people are walking in there.
Yeah, okay, we should stop filming. All right, bet. All right, first of all, good looking, y'all, on all the love and support on my last, excuse me, last few videos. I feel like I might have confused some of y'all on this whole ZV-1 versus ZV-E10 thing, right? Because I've made a bunch of videos and my thoughts have kind of been all over the place. I mean, they haven't, but maybe they've been hard to follow because I've made so many videos on the ZV-1 and the ZV-E10 recently. So I think both of them are dope cameras, yo. I don't think you could go wrong with either. You just need to pick one that has the strongest feature set for you and what you need. But anyways, we'll talk more about this when I get back to the house. If we go any slower, we'll start going back in time. Can you please come on? Thank you. We made it.
Well, it's usually on the key.
Here's the color when it dries out, it'll be flat.
Thank you.
Are you finding my eye? Oh, there it is. Okay. Y'all know who I feel like right now? My guy, Peter Lingle. You want to know why? Peter is always vlogging in the freaking hardware store. Where is Terry Warfield right now? In the freaking hardware store. But one thing I want to remind y'all of real quick, it don't matter what camera you pick. It don't matter if it's the ZV-1, the ZV-E10, Sony A7S III. It don't matter if you get a red Komodo. Like, even a phone in your pocket, no camera is perfect. It's all about finding the one that has the best feature set that works good for your needs. So anyways, we'll talk more about this when I get back home. All right, y'all. Now, before we get into the camera talk, I wanted to show y'all real quick what I'm talking about, because it's a whole mess down here because we working on like changing it around and stuff like that. I'm a big fan of like that dark moody look. So we got this whole wall painted in matte black. Some of y'all have seen the desk setup. It's an absolute mess right now. All of that is over there. But this wall is also black too. I got the beam, which I'm going to be making a whole separate video on that around the TV. And the ceiling, we are pulling all of this down. So this was like, whatever them fiberglass panels are, these are coming down. And all of this up here is getting spray painted. Or not spray painted, but you know, painted black. So it's going to be like dark down here. A lot of like Edison bulb type lights. It's gonna look real dope, but that's what we doing. So I'm gonna keep y'all posted on that, and once everything is done, I'm gonna do an updated desk setup video. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, I was gonna clean the basement up, but yeah, that's not about to happen right now, so y'all gotta live with all of this just like I do. But like I said earlier in this video, I have made several videos on the ZV-1 and the ZV-E10 up to this point, and I feel like it's been all over the place, so I want to condense everything into one last final thoughts segment of this video. Using both of these cameras for months, I just bought another ZV-1, which I'll explain why in that video right there, but using both of them for a few months, I don't even feel like you can compare the two of them. A lot of y'all asking these comments of these videos, which one should I get? Should I get the ZV-1 or should I get the ZV-E10? Should I get the ZV-E10 or should I get the ZV-1? And to be honest, I really don't think that they are built for the same purpose. I think Sony went wrong with the marketing on the ZV-E10. I think the ZV-E10 is a fantastic camera, not perfect because no camera is perfect, but I think they went wrong with the marketing. I don't think that camera succeeded as a vlog camera. Vlog implies to me hand-holding, I'm making videos, etc. And at first, I was all about the ZV-E10. I still am, but I was so pumped about it because I was just like, it was everything I wanted. At first, I had a small camera, great image quality, but I was using it on a tripod. So I was putting it on a tripod, filming here, going outside, putting on a tripod, filming there. I didn't really use it in a vlog fashion because I wasn't doing a whole lot of vlogging. When I started vlogging, I was like, okay, there's a problem. Listen, if you are thinking about getting the ZV-E10 for vlogging, I would not recommend it. I would recommend it as a content creationist camera, because in its price range, it is one of the best well-rounded cameras out there, although it's not perfect. It's got the flip screen, it's got the built-in microphones in case you don't have a microphone, it's got an interchangeable lens, it's got a crop sensor, it's got all of the beauty modes, the background defocus mode, the face-weighted metering, it's got USB-C, it's got the bigger battery than the ZV-1. Like, it's a very, very good content creation camera for not a lot of money. And in fact, I would recommend it over the 6100 and the 6400 because it's pretty much got all the same features both of those cameras have, minus the EVF, but you get all the additional stuff. So you get all the cool stuff that was in the ZV-1 slapped into the ZV-E10. As long as you're okay with it not being able to be the best vlog camera, vlog when I mean hold it out there, vlog, even with the stabilization built into it, even with a Sony OSS lens in conjunction with that stabilization, it's not that great, and a rolling shutter is pretty bad. Again, every camera has its negatives and limitations. As long as you're okay with those, then I would highly recommend you to take a real good look at the ZV-E10. Now, saying that, why did I buy a ZV-1 if that's how I feel? Well, first of all, because I had to send the ZV-E10 back, like I said, but the ZV-1 is a totally different type of beast. In my opinion, the ZV-E10 is a full-on content creator's camera. The ZV-1, although it can be used as a main camera, live streaming camera, I mean, other camera can too, but that one is more about having it on you at all times. That one is more about not missing the shot. So yeah, you don't get the best image quality, you don't get the best battery life. I'm not saying that the image quality is bad, but compared to the ZV-E10, it's a night and day difference. But the big thing about the ZV-1 is not missing the shot. I can pull it out of my pocket, flip the screen out, boom, it's ready to film, get my shot, flip the screen back in, the camera turns back off, and slide it right back in my freaking pocket. You cannot do that with the ZV-E10. So for me right now, the cameras that are available to buy, the ZV-1 solved a problem. It solved the problem that I don't want to take out my expensive setups to do vlogging with. Although the field of view on the ZV-1 is kind of narrow, I wish it was wider. I wish the stabilization was a little better. I wish I had USB-C. I wish I had a bigger battery. But those are the trade-offs that you have to make when you want a super tiny camera. And for me, with me wanting to get more into vlogging and lifestyle videos and including camera stuff in that, that solves a very specific problem for me. Now, the ZV-1 is also not perfect, and I'm not saying that I'm not buying the ZV-E10, because when I'm able to, I'm still gonna buy one, because I do want to take a camera that has an interchangeable lens with me to get good quality results without needing to drag out my A7S III and my expensive lenses or my A7 III to do that. I would much rather have a small camera that has a lot of these features. It has the crop sensor, interchangeable lenses, flip out screen, good built-in microphones, so that I don't need to take out those expensive setups. So I think that each camera has its own specific like use case. They're yelling in the background. I don't think the ZV-1 and the ZV-E10 serve the same purpose. I don't think they're in the same class of camera. You got one that's a point and shoot, get the shot, that's it. You got one that's more of a content creationist camera, and I don't think you can go wrong with either, although both of them have flaws. It's all about, like I said earlier in this video, picking which one checks the most boxes for you for your money. And both of them are about the same price. So ideally, I mean, if you could afford to get both of them, but if you can't get both of them, I can't tell you which one to buy. You have to determine what your use case is and what you need the camera for, and which one will make that job easier for you for the money. Now, like I said, if you can get both, that's dope. But if you can't, you got to assess yourself to see which camera is best for you. So I'll link the entire playlist up there with the ZV-E10 and the ZV-1 stuff. This is the end of the saga. I will not be making any more videos anytime soon about, okay, that might be a lie. I'll probably make some videos about the ZV-1 because there's some things I want to talk about. But now that the ZV-E10 went back and I have the ZV-1, there won't be any more cross-pollination talking about both at the same time. At the end of the day, pick the camera that'll work best for you, and I would love to know what y'all think down in the description. So share your thoughts and all that stuff. I'm very curious to know what you think. So till next time, I'm out of here. Peace and chicken grease. Terry Warfield. Peace.